Look at the audio levels here. I stopped my video right at about the mountaintop, the peak, and I checked where the audio is. Now, -20 to -25. This is a little bit quiet. The best kinds of audio, the most smooth sound that will sound the best on a headphones, I think will be between -5 and -10. So I need to raise the audio level of the video. Let's find out. You have to use a function called filters. If you cannot see this filters tab, go over here to view, filters, and turn it on. It can also be Control 6. Next, I click on master. This means it will change the audio for the entire video. If you want to put a filter on that applies to every single clip in the whole video, click on master. Then I click on plus, go to audio. There's many different filters that you can use to change your video, to add effects. And if you're interested in adding any different effects, please let me know during class. But in this case, I want to use one called gain volume. Click on it, double click. Now, I can use this slider right here to raise the volume of my video. Check it out. See how the audio level goes up here when I drag this slider to the right? It raises the overall volume of the whole video. All right, good morning, afternoon. Welcome. And now the audio is a lot louder and much easier to hear.